Go ahead. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Is it coming, Mom? Why is it not coming?
There, it's growing. Look.
Whoa, yeah, it's green.
Don't touch it. Let it go. Look at the water over here. Does it need more water? There she goes. She's still going. Which one did you get?
I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, she popped out. Let's see. I think she's all done.
Okay, I'm gonna get her out now. It's gonna be super cute, I think. Is she popping?
She's already grew to a plant girl.
Her hair fell off.
Uh-oh, her hair fell off.
But you can step it.
Oh, cute. And it looks like you got, let's see.
I can put, there we go, her hair's back on. She's super cute, Mama.
I think you got this one. This is the doll she got, and that's not good. Comes like that. I think she got this one, which is Sierra. She is a rare one. I can see why. What do you think of those? Are those cool?
Yeah, I want to open it.
What is she?
Cactus.
She's a cactus?
Really? I like a thing of her. I like her bathing suit and her hair.
Oh, awesome. So it comes with a little surprise. It's a little flower pot called Blume. And let's see.
Let's see what I got. Whoa.
Oops.
Here. Let's open it.
Those are the two you got. What do you think of them?
Pretty.
What do you like about them?
Their hair, and their dress, and their purse, and their shoe.
And what did they come with?
They come to us with dress and popsicle friend, and they come to us purses, and they come to us shoes.